In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can mirror your iPhone to an Element TV. Okay, so the two different methods on how to do this are right here. The first one is on the left-hand side, a Roku streaming stick, and on the right-hand side, we have an Amazon Fire Stick. Both of these are capable of streaming or mirroring an iPhone directly to your TV through these devices. Now, both of these are hooked up through an HDMI cable, and then they also have a power cable that gets connected to them also to give them some power. Now, I'll have links in the description down below to both of these different streaming devices in case you're looking for a place to pick them up. All right, first I'm going to show you the step-by-step instructions on the Roku to show you how to do this. Now, one of the first things you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that your iPhone and your Roku TV streaming device, whatever you're using, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, once you've established that, go ahead and get your iPhone, and we're going to hop over to the App Store on your phone. Go over to where it says Roku Mirroring. Search for Roku Mirroring, and you're going to want to get this app right here. This is the app that'll help you mirror whatever's on your iPhone to the TV or the device. Okay, so whenever you open up the app, you'll see that it looks like this, and you'll see at the top here it says no device connected. Make sure that your Roku device is on. Tap on that. As you can see, my Roku Express Plus popped up there because it recognized it. And here's the other thing is you want to make sure you're kind of close to your device, your Roku TV or streaming stick, for it to pick up. But once you have it up there on your screen, you'll tap on it. Down here at the bottom, it'll say connect or cancel. You're going to want to hit connect. And now install channel on Roku. You're going to want to hit install. And now it comes up on the TV there. You'll hit add channel with your remote control. It's adding the streamer and it's on there. Okay, now it says to install and launch your streamer for Roku on your phone. You'll see on the phone, you hit done. You'll get some ads that'll pop up on here. That's how they got to pay for the app because you're downloading a free app. But as you can see, you'll go back to this home menu. Now here on your menu on the phone here, you'll see that you can cast photos, you can browse the internet, you can cast your camera in case you were wanting to just, have like some type of video shoot where you're recording on your iPhone. You can have files cast from your library. You can screen mirror exactly what's on your phone to the TV, or here on the top right corner, you can cast music. Okay, with the app open on the TV and the app open on your phone, what I'm going to do is I'm going to screen mirror by clicking on that, and you'll see that it gives me an option right here, tap to start mirroring. You tap on it and then it wants to confirm, and you'll just hit start broadcast. 2, 1, 0, and right there. Now it's mirroring what's on my phone right on the TV screen, just like that. Easy peasy. And then if you want to stop mirroring, all you do is tap on that icon that says stop mirroring. Okay, now here's just an example. I pulled up a YouTube video. I pulled up my channel trailer video, and as long as I'm holding it vertically like this, it broadcasts vertically. But if I want to go in landscape mode, I turn it over to landscape mode, and it goes to landscape mode on the television. So that's how you screen mirror your iPhone to your TV. Okay, next, here are the step-by-step instructions on how to mirror your iPhone to a Fire Stick. Now this will work with your Fire Stick, your Fire Cube, any type of Amazon Fire streaming device that you will have. So first thing that you're going to want to do is go up to the very top there and see that menu bar at the top. Go over to the magnifying glass and then click on that. And then you're going to want to type in Air Screen. Okay, as soon as you get to Air, you'll see on the second selection there, it does say Air Screen. You go ahead and click on that. And right there is that app called Air Screen to the left. Go ahead and click on that. All right, and you'll come to this screen here, and then it says Get Free to Download. So go ahead and click on Get. All right, so now it's downloading, and now we are installing. Alright, and then you're going to open it up once it's finished installing. You'll come up to the home menu here, It'll give you a quick little instructional video, a welcome video, just telling you what it's about. And then just go ahead and click over to Start Now. Okay, over here on the left hand side, you'll see that there's a side menu here. Just go over to Settings and then click on Settings again. It'll come up here, and as you can see, it says AirPlay, and there's a check mark there. You want to make sure that yours does have a check mark there, allowing it to cast. So we're going to go ahead and click back again, and then go back over to that side menu and go to where it says Start. And click Start again. Okay, next you're going to want to grab your iPhone, and then you're going to want to swipe down on the top right of your screen so that this menu comes on, and then there's that screen mirroring icon there. Go ahead and tap on that, and then as you can see, I got some devices that are going to be using AirPlay, but that middle one there that shows the Apple AirPlay icon, that's the one that is talking to that Fire TV. So I'll go ahead and click on that. Yours may read a different number, but they're pretty much the same. Okay, so then when you look over at your TV, you'll see that it is mirroring now on the iPhone to the TV, just like that. And then we'll go ahead and continue. We'll jump over to a YouTube video. Okay, and as you can see, what I do is I pulled up my channel trailer from my YouTube channel, and it's displaying right there on the TV as it's mirroring from my iPhone right on there. Easy peasy. And it's in landscape mode and everything. It's covering all the borders, so it's working really, really well. All right, and then to stop it from mirroring, you just swipe back down that top right corner and then tap on where the mirroring would be, and then you'll see that option right there for stop mirroring, and then it's done. All right, so that's how you screen mirror your iPhone to your Fire Stick. Another point of reference here is that the Roku streaming players, this will work on the Roku Express, the Express Plus, the Premier, the Streaming Stick Plus, the Ultra, Ultra LT, and all the Roku devices, including the Roku TV. And as far as the Amazon Fire devices, this will work on the Amazon Fire TV Cube, the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, and all the Amazon Fire TV sticks. So it works on all the Fire Stick devices and the Roku devices. Okay, well, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Until the next video, take care.